In this video, we are going to learn about how to generate AI powered voice using CapCut. You can generate voice using this app. So let's get started. Before starting this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe. First of all, open this link capcut.com/tools slash AI dash voice dash generator, and then you can see this interface. Just from here click to generate AI voice. Now you can see the main interface. From here you can generate your voiceover using this tool. So first of all, you have to paste your script, or you can also write a script using this AI tool. I want to paste my custom script. Paste here. Then you can generate your voice. Before that, select a voice artist. From here you can see only a huge voice artist is available. You can select anyone from here to generate your voice. I just clicking this one for an example, and then click to generate. Get Pro to use this feature with 1 credit. It will cut some credit to generate a voice. So got it. Within a few seconds you can see voice is ready. You can preview this voice just clicking this button,
What if you could apply the mental toughness of a Navy SEAL?
and then you can download this one from here. Just click to download, and you can download only audio file, and you can also download audio and caption. Just click here to get the audio files. Here is the audio file, and now you know how to generate AI voice using CapCut PC. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.